Delito no.
Now, Ronnie.
Thank
you, Ali. Read the same thing, please.
Hisiatu delito no.
Try again.
Hisiatu.
Try again.
Hisiatu.
Okay. Michelle?
Hisiatu delito no.
Nikki?
Hisiatu delito no.
Ben?
Hisiatu delito no.
Again?
Hisiatu delito no.
No, you memorize the word and you just read it. You're not reading. I want you to read
The
it.
Peggy.
You don't know the word. Just read it the way
Peggy.
it is.
Hisiatu.
Gagriti.
Oh, you know?
Gagriti. Yeah.
1, 2, 3 syllable, right?
Syllables, yeah.
So the rule is that when you have a 3-syllable word,
Hisiatu.
if you don't put any
Peggy.
accent mark, then the stress falls on the second syllable. So anybody will read hisiento. Hisiento.
Yeah.
But what you want to say is hisiento.
Peggy.
Almost like
Peggy.
Okay? Excelente. Next.
Maestra.
Okay. I don't like the street. No me gusta la calle. Garífuno. Okay, I'm gonna ask somebody read it. Okay, read it, Alihabe.
Mi sienti umano.
Again.
Mi sienti.
Peggy.
Mi sienti.
Mi siente.
Furame.
Promete.
Mi sienti umano.
Okay, I'm gonna have somebody else read it. Who wants to go?
Uatiha. Nito.
Alihabe, Ronnie.
Uatiha.
Alihabe, son.
Misiati huma no.
Okay, next.
Misete homo no.
Armando.
Misete uma no.
Aí é tipo uma.
Uma.
Ali.
Yeah, uatiha.
Now.
Read it, Ali.
Read it, Ali.
Mi siente uma no.
Okay, Ali said uma. What is the word that you're saying? Cada dime la voz.
Yeah.
Ah, no. Wow, almost, huh? She was close. Can you read it, please, Del?
Gaguti.
Mi sienti umano.
Okay, you see? She said, mi sienti uma. Aha. Lefumo beya uma. Kante gilila be uma, garifno. With, right? Uma. This word uma means with.
With
Somebody.
Luma, tuma.
Okay? Lebabu sero be uma. Street. Lago, bicho lago.
Oh, apagago ba lang?
Gaguti. Nudarihi bido. Gaguti.
Okay. Bueno, que no venía.
Okay. Lira uma. Sabe bem já bilao de more lira ba bicho aí. Okay. Go.
Okay.
Food. I don't like food.
The girl will be back. They're getting ready for their program. Okay. I don't like food.
Remember food? You need some? Wow, Eva. Solita.
Armando.
Mengo no muta tuga wala tabuda. Ida wala tabuda. Okay. Eiga is the verb to eat.
Oh, okay.
We need the noun. Wants to help?
Na, la, ta.
Ali say eigini.
Egini.
Eigini.
Egi.
And the and the A.
Egi.
The second A, that A. Egini.
Michelle.
You're missing something
The
else.
first word.
Egini.
Tell me.
Egini.
Put it.
Sereme. Sereme, Michelle.
I don't think that's right.
Oh,
That's not right.
Misiatinya, that makes it plural.
Plural.
Yeah.
And Egini is singular.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Sereme.
Aha. Yay.
Okay, see how she added the N at the end?
Yeah.
That's correct. Sereme, Michelle.
No.
Miseti. Egini.
Okay, now I think this,
No.
we do a little exercise here of a song. I got a song, so people will not get bored.
All right.
Years ago, maybe 15 years ago, we've been singing it. How will you sing that? Happy birthday to you, right?
Yeah.
With the post or
Now look at
Ah. Rumuguni.
this. Wow.
Bow.
That's a boy.
Buiti, Bostarum,
Atine sa ilong mo.
Iromo, Ugunye.
Umunye.
Now, let's break this down.
Peggy Logo. There.
Tell me. Kalila Bele.
Witty. Good.
Okay. Austara
Birth.
Atine.
is the verb.
Nacimiento.
No.
Oh.
Cumplir.
Oh. Cumplir.
Yeah.
Cumplir.
To accomplish or to complete.
To reach.
To reach.
Rich.
Right?
Aha.
Yeah. This is Ostara. So, what is this? What does the B make?
To you. You.
And then we add the suffix here, right? Okay, and then what is this?
Year.
Win.
Year.
Year.
Año.
Atine ilong.
And then what is this?
Today.
Today.
Okay. So it's nothing to do with English or Spanish.
Wow.
It's good that you have completed
Reach.
a year today.
That's a good one.
Alright?
Yeah.
That's what. This is the way we formulate the sentence.
With.
So, Buiti, Bostarum, Irumu, Ugunya. And it was yesterday, Gurinoga. But when you're singing it, it doesn't matter when, it's always like this.
Can you rewrite Iromu for the audience there online? Because it looks too confusing.
Pero tu bravo.
Irum.
The booth.
Serem. Irum.
What you make it, bro? Buiti, Bostarum, Irumu, Ugunya, right?
Yeah.
Austara is to reach. Okay, so the way you were singing it is perfect. We the balls, or this ending here, it doesn't necessarily have to be like that. Remember, when you're singing, you need to go sometimes to the older way of pronouncing a word
Right.
in order to feed it properly. Okay? So this is the way it's spoken in the places where? Very far away from the city. Remember? We
Village.
saw that 2 weeks ago. Boston.
Boston.
Yeah? Yeah. No R.
Boston.
Lowstone.
Boston.
Lowstone, right?
You reached.
He reaches.
You reached.
You know? Then so when you hear this, remember it's correct. But when we write it, it's being unified as Bostaro. So you can sing Buiti Boston, okay? Or Buiti Bostaro. Alright?
Akama.
Ati mo daw amo ya. Luye wa no gano mo lobster.
Huh?
Lobster.
Aba luye wa yanu ha. Ami yo bueno de la yanu hole da ami bueno de flash.
Ay.
Ami buiti sumbe.
Ma uso de lobster o poster.
Bien, buiti.
Dapat
No.
naman luto di.
Pero-
Dale nula, dale boom la Bostaro. Dale nula Lostaro. O boom Boston.
Boston.
O lu Loston.
Boston.
Okay,
Buiti
Marco.
bien, güey.
Mingo.
Okay.
Mingo.
Amigo. Boston irumugunye. Widi Boston irumugunye. Widi Boston irumugunye. Widi Boston irumugunye. Wow. That was good.
Beto.
What's the next one?
Aturu. Aturu. Aturu nye sai mo ba.
After the name,
Sa.
how many, right?
Yeah.
Sa irumu
Wow.
bao.
Aha.
How old are you?
100.
How old are you? Okay, come along.
Demo.
Atunye sa irumu bao. Atunye sa irumu bao. Atunye sa irumu bao. Atunye sa irumu bao.
It's over with.
Oh, go. Kalila bay. Você hadiwa.
We wish.
We want.
We want.
Você hadina.
We want.
Você hadibu. Você hali. Você hadiwa.
Tiwa.
We want.
We now want.
Busiena.
Oh.
Now we want this Busian Tiwa.
Okay.
Now when you put the H here, we now want
Now we want.
Busian Diwa. Okay?
Candy.
Yeah, we now want
Pastel cake.
pastel,
Cake.
right? Cake.
Cake.
Or bimetu.
Oh, bimet.
Bimetu tem pastel garifano?
Oh yeah.
Bimetu. Okay. Busian Diwa bimetu. Busian Diwa bimetu. Busian Diwa bimetu. Busian Diwa bimetu.
Man, Ali got this bass over.
Bravo.
Now, let's do the whole thing. Let me copy and paste.
They're gonna send us.
Wadaremo halile gadruwayas 4 times. Like me waremo halile, and then we sing this gadruwayas 4 times. Nyenge me waremo hayale, then we sing this also gadruwayas 4 times. Okay? Kemalao. Aba, biama, irwa, gadru. Witi bosta mirumugunye. Witi bosta mirumugunye. Witi bosta mirumugunye. Witi bosta mirumugunye. Atunye sairumubao. Atunye sairumubao. Atunye sairumubao. Atunye sairumubao. Você hadiwa bimetu. Você hadiwa bimetu. Você hadiwa bimetu. Você hadiwa bimetu. One more time. Você hadiwa bimetu.
That's right.
Okay? Tina Ferudo Buma. I already apologized to you. Okay? You see? For all those troubles. Or for all the trouble.
Kate
Is it?
Kate Dumara.
Or this?
Uh-huh.
Durumande trouble.
Enga, Aliga Bega.
Do. Oh. I'm human too, man, okay?
Agamanari.
Okay. And then, Niduru Tiele, this is my fault. This is my fault. Okay, so that's the reason why I came out.
Ude wadi ulo.
Yeah, no, I'm just reading any sentence to show you that every sentence makes sense. You know, makes sense too for your daily conversation. Okay, so when you learn this and then you know the meaning, you're gonna be able to use those phrases as well in your daily conversation. Okay, so it's important for me that everybody learn this song. So, Arihabare lidonagu. Lumbagambu nilila nererum. Ronnie, you should know this song. Lukhababu serun lunarigu katelati mainarnibe. Now let's try it in English. I just translated it. I will try. Look straight into my eyes to hear the meaning of my words. You have been wanting me to say all about the real truth.